today. It is gorgeous. Hawaii.
Two screws, 3 or 4 for holding them. 2 is the easiest.
Well, can you put in 2 screws from the inside and 2 screws from the outside?
No.
No?
All have to be from the inside so that they're removable.
Oh, removable, right, okay. Well, you're gonna have to figure that one out. Well, they look nice up there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be wonderful when they're installed and working.
It's theoretically possible we could put a sheet up there. We've got plenty of sheets to try this with and try and fit it and cut holes for all the windows.
I
It's a
think
little
that's,
tricky, but it's possible.
yeah, but it makes a nice, smoother finish, I think.
Yeah.